Hey guys, doing a video today about my electric wood splitter. We haven't had to use it much because one of the area farmers here where we live has given us so much firewood over the winter that I haven't had to split, but I'm going to start doing some wood splitting again because I got to start cutting some trees down, cleaning up the area, and then might as well use it. But haven't used it for a while, so I'm going to check the hydraulic oil on it, the fluid. And then I'm sure the blade is pretty sharp, but I'll check that. And then I'll do some splitting just to see how it's working, because I haven't used it like in months. And I got some hydraulic fluid there. It's like for jacks and stuff, so that's for the hydraulic system there. So there's a bolt on the back here, right there. Gonna have to stand this unit up though, and then pull that out. There should be a dipstick there, and then check that level, and if it's okay, then I'll just leave it, but otherwise I'll add some if I need to. And if you guys were watching the channel a couple of videos ago, I did one about using the chainsaw there, and I was cutting some of that wood because it was too long for the wood stove, so I'll put a link below to that one. Also, I had some fun in that video. I had this license plate on the car, and I didn't tell people. I just said, what do you see different in the video? Like, what do you see here? And there wasn't many views on that video, but I was surprised that one of our long-term subscribers, been on the channel a long time, many years, she said, is it the license plate? And I was surprised that she picked that out because she's from Europe, so how, I wouldn't expect her. That's Lori Martin or Etsy Arnold on our channel. A great subscriber and a donator to our channel, and watching all our videos, her and her husband Donald. I hope I pronounced that right. So yeah, this license plate here, this is from my birth year, 1963. I don't know if you can see that there. And my brother got this. I have two matching plates. He gave them to me one time because he goes to car shows and flea markets and all kinds of garage sales, and he's looking for interesting things like this. And he said, I picked up a couple plates for you, bro. So, thanks, man. I finally have a place I can hang them in my shop now, and I can admire them. Yeah, just think, I remember in Saskatchewan, years ago when I was young, a little kid, they were changing the plates almost every year, different colors. I was always excited, like, what are they going to be next year? Now they're just boring, white and green, but whatever. This is from 1963, and thanks to Lori Martin with the channel Etsy Arnold for noticing that. So I had to stand the wood splitter up because I want to check the fluid, and if I take that off when it's down, it's all going to come out. And it's pretty heavy too. Don't want it to fall. There, it's loose already. I gotta wipe that off, so put the camera down. It's quite low. You can't really see, but there's a little line over here, and down here there's just a little bit of grease here, fluid. So I'm glad I checked this. I gotta add some of that fluid, guys. Some of that hydraulic fluid. Like I said, I haven't used it in a long time, so I thought I better check that. It's a good wood splitter, but if you don't have any fluid in there, the thing will seize up. So we'll get some of that in there that I bought. Pour a little bit in and then check it. You don't want to overfill it, so I'll check that and then keep topping it up if I have to. So it took about half of that bottle down there. It was pretty low. Wow. Tighten that up good. Don't want this splitter to fall though. There. So I'll get it down on the ground and then we'll do some splitting. Sun shining out. It's so nice now, guys. No hat on my head, no gloves. It's at 14 Celsius. I forgot if I mentioned that already. 58 Fahrenheit. Beautiful. And nice warm weather coming now. So the worst of the winter is over. We hope. It can only get better. Also want to mention that Lori Martin, Etsy Arnold there, sent us a nice DVD set of Carol Burnett. Oh, they're excellent. We're really enjoying those, Lori. Thank you very much for that. Yeah, Lori's a great subscriber, guys. Been on the channel for so many years, and we're glad to have her here. So let's put this down now and see if it works. Yeah, I got it down. It weighs a ton. Actually, it's a 5-ton wood splitter. So yeah, it's pretty heavy though. Anyways, so we're gonna test it out right away. There's a little bleeder screw here. You want to turn this a few times. You want air to flow through there. There. That should do it. Don't want to take it out. So let's get a log on there and see how it works. Gotta fix that. Maybe like that. Yeah. So it works pretty good. Pretty happy with it. It's running smooth as peanut butter. So this will be getting a workout this spring. Going to be splitting a lot of firewood. And take a look how the snow's melting here. Still quite a big chunk there, but it's a lot lower. Like, look at this. You can see the garden area over there. It's really good. There's the pup. There's the bad pup. We got to put up some fencing system for you and a gate. There's Kulika there by the house. Yeah, it's a beautiful day, guys. It's only gonna get better. So guys, that's it for this video. I won't be saying that woodchuck joke anymore, because I don't think they're chucking wood. I think they're chucking dirt, you know. They're not chucking wood. They're dirt chuckers. So Lori Martin, hope you enjoyed this video, or Etsy Arnold. You're a great subscriber, and we're thrilled to have you here on the channel. And guys, we'll do more videos like this. We'll have some fun and see if you can guess little clues to little contests like this. But not one in this video, but look forward to another video where we do that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. See you, Lori.